Welcome to Geniuslink. You've joined thousands of creators who use our service to monetize their global audience. Since 2009, we've helped everyone from budding YouTubers to large publishers boost their affiliate revenue by fully monetizing their international traffic and providing better purchasing options to their audiences. We've learned that most new clients aren't capturing revenue from roughly half of their Amazon traffic. Geniuslink fixes this for you automatically. As a result, our clients typically see an amazing 8 times return on their investment. When you're ready to take your affiliate game to the next level, try out Choice Pages. We've seen creators more than double their earnings by giving audiences more than one buying option with these simple, beautiful product landing pages. Our clients also find Geniuslink an indispensable time saver for creating and managing their affiliate links. With our single dashboard, you can check on the health of your Amazon links, edit URLs on the fly, and monitor the clicks driven by your content. You can achieve these benefits in several ways, depending on your content, by building a genie.us short link in our dashboard, quickly installing our WordPress plugin on your website, running our YouTube link optimizer on your channel, or choosing from any of our other integration methods. Ready to start boosting your earnings? Check out our personal setup guide linked at the top of your Geniuslink dashboard. We've included steps and resources to help you get the most out of Geniuslink right away. We also have an expansive knowledge base and a YouTube channel filled with supportive content. Our beloved client success team is by your side whenever you want guidance or support. We're committed to helping you earn more revenues from your links and save time doing it. From all of us at Geniuslink, happy linking!